If you track your products using a category not found in the default fields, you can create your own custom field. For example, if you are managing clothing and need to track size for those products, you can create that field. Additionally, there may be a field that you are not using that you can turn off. Let's get started. Go to the Admin menu and scroll down to System. Click on Lexicon in the main menu and then Item under Concepts and Fields. Scroll down until you see User Field 1, User Field 2, etc. Click the pencil icon next to any available user field. User fields without a check mark on the left are currently available or are considered unassigned. Under Field Name, type the name of your field. Switch the toggle for Use field to On. You may leave the current text under field abbreviation alone. Click Save to save your changes. To ensure your field has been created correctly, visit the Admin menu on the left and scroll down to Items. You should see your newly created custom field in the Table heading in the main body of the page.